Hello guys, this is an extremely beginner friendly tutorial on how to shape in your eyebrows yourself at home. Keep watching. So for this process, I like to use a lubricant like oil or butter, a brand new razor blade, and also a spoolie to brush the brows. So first thing I like to do is go in with my lubricant, which in this case I am using coconut oil. So I just apply this coconut oil all over my brows and the skin around it. Then I brush downwards. I like to start with the top part of my brows because this helps me know how much I'm going to take from the bottom part of my brows. So please, I also want to tell you guys, when you're working with a sharp object, you have to be very careful. Like you can see here, I cut myself. I was a little distracted, so please and please be careful while using the blade. So guys, we're moving to the main part of the brows, which is the bottom part of the brow. For the bottom part, I like to leave my brow as natural as possible so I don't take out so much hair. Also, there's a technique I like to use where I use my free hand to lift my brow up so that the blade can so I can see clearly what I am doing, and also the blade can glide through my skin smoothly. You know, this technique helps you to be able to get a better definition of what you're what you're taking out and what you're doing basically. So I like this technique a lot, and it makes it so much easier to get those tiny annoying hairs underneath your brow. So I like to go in to see whether I'm okay with the shape. I brush through, I clean, just to make sure that the shape of the brow is okay for me. Then I move ahead to the next brow. I'm just going to be repeating the same process with the next brow so you guys can watch and enjoy. I also wanted to mention that I make faces just so to ensure that my brows correspond and they look the same. This just helps me to better know how to cut or how to shape so that they match. So guys, this is the finished result. I hope you like it. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.